put one of these on it. What do you reckon? My favourite section, dipsticks. Check them out. Ben told me I gotta work this bloody motor off.
My name is Bobby Boucher.
Hey George,
Hey, how's it going?
how are you, buddy? How you going?
Yeah, what's new?
Not a great deal. Building good engines. What can I do for you?
Yeah, that's what I'm after actually. You know about my car, the twin turbo LS1 Drift Skyline.
Yo.
You know, I've been dealing with Outlaws for ages, and I just want to build a new engine. What
we
can
can
you
help
guys
you.
do?
We can help you, but if you want to do some drifting, you need torque from the engine.
Alright.
If you want torque, you need a stroker engine. Stroker engine, you need something like an LS2 stroker, 6.6 litre.
Yep.
We can supply the lot. Eagle forged crank, Eagle H-pin rods, a good comp hydraulic roller cam for it. Marl piston, a forged piston, must be a good forged piston for the engine. Some good yellow terror roller rockers for it, and some good throttle bodies. That'll wake the engine right up. You need someone to screw it together though, man. Someone good, someone like maybe Dimitri Corbis, he'll screw it together for you.
Got all this stuff ready to go?
All in stock out the back, you can take it.
Alright, let's do it.
She's on. Thank you, my man. Done. Excellent.
Thank you. And then as the fuel returns, it goes up to the front, comes back in to here, and then, and whatever overflows, it goes back into the main tank. So this is always full, so it doesn't matter which way it's going to point.
Turn it over you.
I think this bit is rooted.
Look at that air fuel ratio. You can bloody do whatever you wanted on that. Oh, what about the boost? Let's see how much compressor we got left. Oh yeah, just over 12 pounds at the top, nothing. Regardless of how much torque it reads, it's the newtons down here that show you how hard it's actually pulling on the dyno, and rarely, I mean 10-second cars generally run around 10,000 newtons. Anything above that is very rare to see, and this consistently from the start of the ramp to the end is above 10,000 newtons all the way to 6,400 where it hit the rev limiter there. It probably had a bit more power in it too, but keeping it on the dyno, the wheel spin tends to be a bit of a problem, but we'll just be happy with that and we'll leave it like that for today. There's always another day to play with hard game.